Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar gained 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.7% against the dollar. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.7% against the dollar. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold futures closed lower, giving back earlier gains seen on the back of employment data from the Labor Department that revealed the U.S. economy created a lot fewer jobs than expected in September. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has recruited former Tesco boss Dave Lewis as an advisor, tasking him with fixing the country's supply chain problems that have hit the economy. The dollar edged higher versus major peers, but within a narrow range as traders awaited clues from the U.S. non-farm payrolls report on the pace of Federal Reserve policy normalization.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's producer price index will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 GMT. The UK's NISR GDP estimate at 0800 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2301 GMT. China's FDI at 0700 GMT. New Zealand's electronic card retail sales at 2145 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.